Today, I've got a special community update on Latitude Margaritaville Watersound. I'm so excited to share all that this community has to offer. This is Heather, helping you find your best beach life. And don't forget to give me a call before you come so I can help you out. This home is perfect for fun and entertainment. A nice enlarged island, these beautiful level 4 upgraded cabinets, and man, the jewelry's just perfect. And this ensuite, ample space for a king bed, dresser, walk-in closet, and a great bath. This 2-bed, 2-bath has ample space for guests, but it's not too big at all. So, as per usual, for more information, look in the description below. I've got all the details there for you to check it out further. Bye.